this is Dan Farisi, Group Editor, Commercial and Security with Emerald. So happy to be joined today by my friend Brandon Heinz, who is Product Manager with Renkus-Heinz. Topic of conversation is, of course, InfoComm 2025. We're all super excited about it. It's going to be really the event of the summer. And we wanted to invite Renkus-Heinz on to talk about what they are particularly looking forward to sharing when people get to booth 5247 and demo room W222A. Thank you again, Brandon, for joining me during a very, very busy run-up period to InfoComm.
Yeah, Dan, thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for having Renkus-Heinz on. We over here on the West Coast are very excited for InfoComm. As many people probably know, this is our biggest trade show of the year, and we are very, very excited about the things that we have coming this year. We are extremely excited about the demo experience that we will be providing for the attendees at this year's show, and I think it's going to be a really good InfoComm.
No doubt that it's going to be. I look forward to getting to booth 5247 and to the demo room W222A to check it all out. Do you want to just talk about why, in general, you think this is going to be such an impactful show? Why, as you say, it is your biggest show of the year? What makes it so special, and why is it the kind of event that year after year Renkus-Heinz continues to invest, not just monetarily, but invest in innovation and new products and technological launches? Why is this kind of the showcase that you want to take?
Well, from a business standpoint, InfoComm is very exciting because it's one of the few times every year where we get to connect with all of our domestic sales partners, and being able to connect with them, learn about the challenges they've faced in the last few years, learn about the upcoming opportunities they have, figuring out how we can better help them solve the problems that they have going on is always a great thing. Helping to strengthen and build the relationships that we have with our partners, really just making sure that the family stays strong together. Is really it's hard, you can't put a value on that. It's just a great thing for the industry as a whole. And then from Renkus-Heinz's standpoint, our commitment to innovation and sound experience is something that we hold true every time we come to InfoComm. And this year we're actually very excited to be launching two new products at the show. One of them is something that I am extremely excited about, is a new software product, Rayon 3. It is a complete evolution of our control and monitoring software, and it streamlines our workflow. It has a completely updated user interface, and with this new workflow that we have, it's going to help save people more time on simulation, more time out in the field, and ultimately enable them to more deeply monitor the health and status of their loudspeakers over time. All of this happens in real time. In addition to the updated workflow and monitoring, there's also new discovery protocols, there's new distinct workflow modes, and those two things together help make sure that this new software will be reliable, robust, and responsive, even in incredibly large-scale projects, with many loudspeaker endpoints. And then in addition to Rayon 3, we have a new subwoofer coming to join the family of IC Live X products, the ICLX 48S. And this is a state-of-the-art, brand new column subwoofer meant to enable IC Live X users to deliver a full range sound system in the most discrete form factor that has ever been possible before. This thing uses state-of-the-art 8-inch transducers and Renkus-Heinz signature amplification, so its performance is at the absolute top. Its sound quality is incredible, all while being incredibly discrete and a very compact, slim column form factor subwoofer that is new for Renkus-Heinz here in InfoComm 2025.
Boy, you have a lot going on at the show. I can't wait to check it all out. I have a feeling that it's going to be one of the hubs of activity when people get to Orlando because, not just Rayon 3, which is going to be fantastic, but also the new sub. I'm interested as far as, demos, activations, interactivity and engagement with people who come to the booth in the demo room. What can people look forward to seeing? Can they get hands-on? Can they interact? Can they get into all the kind of the techie stuff that they love to do?
Oh, absolutely. So at the booth, we will have a couple different stations where people can get their hands into the software, see how it works, see how it looks, see how it all feels together, and really should enable them to see how they will be able to streamline their process when they're on site commissioning a sound system, or when they're out in the field deploying something for a live event, or when they're in the simulation phase of a planning of a new upcoming project. And then in addition to that, we will have these new subwoofers both on the booth and in the demo room. So people can hear and experience for themselves just how exciting this new subwoofer is. And we will also be doing some live demonstrations after our actual demo presentation of the Rayon 3 software in the demo room to make sure that people have a good understanding and a good feel for what the new software can do for them. Ultimately, it's just something that I'm really excited about InfoComm this year, and really, really looking forward to it.
Am I. And I know people love to connect with Renkus-Heinz, not just to check out your cool technology, which really is truly industry leading, but also to connect with the people. I mean, Renkus-Heinz has a unique DNA, family company, really passionate individuals that are connected to the dealer channel, care about the dealer channel, and it must be a wonderful opportunity for you and your colleagues to really engage with your partners in a meaningful way. It's not just about selling products and software and subs. It's really about engaging meaningfully with the channel, isn't it?
That's 100% the truth, because ultimately, I mean, Renkus-Heinz is not a business that is purely relied upon or driven by numbers. We're driven by our partners. They're the ones that help get our projects through to success, and all we can do is help give them the success that they need. And the better that we can understand their challenges, the better we can understand their opportunities, the better of a partner we can be to them. And that's really what is so valuable about shows like InfoComm.
There's no doubt about it. I look forward to connecting with you and the entire team there, as I say, at booth 5247, as well as demo room W222A. I know I will be there. The integration masses will be there. We want to check out Rayon 3. We want to check out the new sub. Thank you for giving us a preview, Brandon, of everything we can look forward to seeing.
Oh, absolutely, Dan. Thank you again for having me on today. It's always a pleasure to get to catch up with you, and really looking forward to seeing you and the rest of your team at InfoComm this year.
Likewise. Such a pleasure, as always, to have been joined by Brandon Heinz, who is product manager with Renkus-Heinz. My name is Dan Farisi, group editor, commercial and security with Emerald. Please do keep your eyes on commercialintegrator.com in the run-up to InfoComm, during the show, and after the show for more exciting thought leadership content, product previews, and other technology innovation you're going to get in Orlando and on our website. We look forward to seeing you soon and at the Renkus-Heinz booth 5247 and demo room W222A.